Assemble together, understanding redundancy in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the layers of a commonly used phrase in English, assemble together. You might have heard it in meetings, instructions, or even casual conversations. But what does it really mean? Is it different from simply saying, assemble? Let's dive in and find out. The phrase, assemble together, might sound a bit repetitive at first. In English, assemble already means to gather or come together. So, when we say, assemble together, we're essentially saying, gather together together. It's a classic example of redundancy, using more words than necessary to express an idea. Redundancy isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes, it's used for emphasis or to ensure clarity. For example, in the phrase, safe haven, safe reinforces the security that haven implies. However, in the case of assemble together, the redundancy doesn't add much value. It's like saying, tuna fish, or free gift. The additional words don't change the meaning. So, when should you use the phrase, assemble together? It's best used when you want to emphasize the act of gathering, especially in a formal setting. For instance, an announcement might say, the committee will assemble together at 3 p.m. It sounds more formal and serious. But in everyday conversation, just saying, assemble, or gather, is clear and concise. If you're looking to avoid redundancy, there are plenty of alternatives. You can simply use assemble, gather, or meet up. Each of these words carries the essence of coming together without the extra baggage of redundancy. For example, let's assemble at the park, or we will gather at noon. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, assemble together. Remember, while it's not incorrect to use redundant phrases, being concise can often make your communication clearer and more effective. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video helps you in your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.